Right, so hello everybody. I've been waiting so long to try and get down here, and it looks like I'm getting into Stockport Air Raid Shelters. We've got just some dude joining us now. We've got Just Ash coming down momentarily, and stay tuned and we shall take you on this adventure underneath Stockport. Go power!
Oh mate, that fucking hand's killing. I need another pair of gloves, you've got there. Go on. Hang on people.
So here we go people.
This is the abandoned World War II Air Raid Shelter. Wow.
Look at that scooter! No way!
So look, this is the old.
Look at that.
Yeah, this is the one that Jake did. Look, this is the old World War II. And the bunk beds there.
Shovel there.
That old lantern there. Bleeding again as always, look. An old shoe, wonder how old that is. Shovel. Stay. Yeah. These are all the old bunk beds. People must
So
have
here we
living
go.
in here.
Mate, there's been an urbex in here recently.
Jake, this is the one Jake did. Look, there's another torch. This is the one that Jake did.
Yeah, no, I mean, I watched one the other day, didn't I?
We need to make sure.
We'll follow the arrows this way and then work back on ourselves.
The arrows there, you go the wrong way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just stick to one side.
Sugar. These are all hand carved. These, hang on, sorry. I've got to go slowly because
I could not believe that I finally got it here. I've been wanting to get it here since I was a little kid.
these are all hand carved out. These, on purpose for people hiding after for the Manchester Blitz and things in World War II. I can't believe the old bunk bed frames are still here.
This is mental. So I hope the view's alright for you guys. I've got you on the head mount again. Look, there's another scooter wheel. They are, no way.
People have been playing with BB guns in here. There's BBs all over.
They've been doing airsoft or something, haven't they? Whoa, look, you just can't see, that's well spooky.
That's an old piece of scooter, that.
Is it scooter or bike?
Ah, it's spooky.
The thing is peeing with blood. though.
Hello!
Mate, let's make sure we remember the way back.
Well, poker. Right, this is crazy. You can live in that.
Yeah, but mate,
Well, they used to, didn't they?
so remember, we're going to get fucking lost.
Look, there's all the,
There's all the fittings,
look, this is where all
all the lights used to be in the ceiling.
the bits of lead that where I've had cables clipped.
That old seat
You
there.
better do the tours down here, didn't you?
No, this bit's
This has
closed.
always been, look, that's the bricks there in front of us.
You know, because we're using lights, I can see shapes and stuff.
We need to use better lights. These lights are no good.
Yeah, I'm using this one. I don't want the tours to go out. I'll
Okay,
just
he's
get
scared.
one copy.
Okay, here's all the beds. Fucking enjoying this, guys. This is like, I can't believe it. I can't believe that I've actually got down there now. Boys are going to get us lost because they're just going and going and going. Mate, they just go forever, innit?
That'd be the bridge. This is the old man.
Yeah, this is,
People
no way.
used to sleep on these.
Nah.
Yeah, they did. They're beds.
These are beds.
They're beds, Steve.
You should have been bolted
Yeah.
up to the side of the wall.
That's what they all used to sleep on.
What's this here?
I'll tell you what I've got.
See, you've got to look on the floor, you might find different
Yeah, okay, man, just a bit.
No, it's not, that's just not big.
Yeah, wait a minute. We got this in.
Yeah, but if ever we're going to get out, mate, I'm more concerned about. Somewhere in here is the toilets. Because Exploring with Jake did this tunnel.
Oh, what's that?
What is it? Say, you have to excuse me with the focusing. Come on, yeah.
What?
That'll shoot me up.
What?
Have a look through that door. Have a look through that door. Go on.
Go on now.
Shit. Somebody in there. Mate, what the fuck? Go over. You cunts.
You're taking the piss.
Shit me up.
My pants
Mate, I swear to God, look at this. What, just some
Oh my God.
That cracked us up.
That isn't even funny.
Well, this is the toilets.
What are you doing down here, mate?
You know what? This is probably the guys that come down here last time on the airbags. I can't believe that they've left.
Come on, let's carry on through here.
This is where the bricks up over here, the cars.
Mate, I just don't want to stay in here too long.
I can't believe that
I'm scared.
that well
I'm
scary
scared I'm
that.
fucking hear me. I'm not even trusting you. Have you got a light read?
Mhm.
There's the road there.
We're right in here, mate. We're right in.
There it is, look. There's a brick wall from there, road.
There's a little gap in it.
Yeah, a little tiny fucking gap.
Yeah, it is. So that's the main road there.
There's a plastic hole in there so we can put our way out.
Help us! We're stuck! You're saying that now. It's such a douche. So let's go and check them toilets out. Is it right? I don't mean that type.
Mate, that.
Right, we don't work. This place is.
You do that as well?
Steve, don't start saying shit like that.
Hey, you know what? I think you're a criminal.
It's lying, isn't it? Yeah, let's go check them toilets out.
This is definitely one of my best adventures yet.
No,
I've been wanting to get in
here.
here for so long. It is unreal. Hello, dude.
Yeah, but we're not even keeping track of where we're going.
Yes, we are. We followed the green arrows back.
Right, so this was the
Definitely.
toilets.
Well, I did tell you, didn't I?
All right, now, ladies.
This is the toilet area, this. And then there'll be a man's on the other side, or women's, it's all be splashed up. It's amazing what they can do when they need to, isn't it? Look, the old style type hole. Where did it keep going? I thought it was just a brick wall,
No, these are blast walls, aren't they? When they have the walls crisscrossed like that, it's a blast wall.
At some point, we don't really know where we've got.
There's another one. Oh my
Wow,
God.
they just go everywhere, don't
Pair of legs.
Mate, my arse is going in here.
Yeah, mine is because I'm just worried about getting out.
they? Whoa, these guys are funny, man.
Someone's well playing tricks on us.
That torch. What would you do though if you come back and it was upside down?
Do you know what? I reckon Jake's probably put them lanterns there to take
No, that I
pictures.
was telling you, these lads recently been in here.
Right, hang on. Because we've missed this green arrow. Right, after here, we're going back and we'll go a different route.
Right, I'll tell you what, I'm going to put that lantern. We should have brought candles as well in case.
Best one for this smallest rock, can I?
This is going to be further up the road.
Easy,
This is absolutely
The pipes are. This is the blast walls here, because this will be another opening, because they crisscross them so it doesn't affect anything if there's a bomb going off outside.
That'll be our shouting hole later on.
Oh, it's easy.
You are enjoying this, people. This is craziness. Could you imagine? In World War II, there's bombs going off above your head. You can hear it. Bang, bang.
Yeah, stay there, isn't it?
Them legs are bloody mad.
Mate, that's where we come from.
No, we come from up here.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
This way.
Where are you going?
Stuff like this is why people get lost.
Yeah, so go back the way we came.
Right,
Yeah,
go
which
straight
was
down.
this way.
No, it
Down
wasn't.
Down here, because the lights are down here, mate. Trust me.
Grace.
I'm going this way.
On the right. You know what?
Hello!
Right, then we came through these
Right,
toilets.
so we need to go back that way in a minute.
No,
Oh, hang on.
because
Stay there. Just stay
I
there.
don't like this one bit, lads.
No, stop being soft.
You say that
Imagine how them
until
poor
buried
people
for-
felt
Have
that
we
was
actually got
fucking
signal on our
digging away.
phones?
Were your bollocks?
Has anyone got signal on the phone?
I got signal on the phone. Yeah, all you have to do is go to one of them entrances, won't you?
Well, no, I'm just thinking. In case we get
No
stuck.
signal.
You haven't?
No.
What?
Well, the closer the deeper we go back now, the less likely it is we're going to get signal.
This is crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Oh, smash porcelain.
It's all the toilets, isn't it?
It almost feels like it's not real.
Feels very scary.
It
No?
feels surreal. And did Jake come down here on his own?
Yeah.
No, just three of the lads. Two of the lads.
Dun dun dun. Ranker.
So it's right here.
You left in? Good.
Thing.
Except to go with your lightsaber.
There's no way we're going to be able to explore our list. It's too big.
The only way you could do it, yeah, is by...
I'll be happy if we go find the entrance again and then go back the other way then, follow
Let's do
it,
it.
and then we know then, don't we?
Come on then, I'll do that.
Yeah? That's where we went up.
It's not where we're going.
We went up there first.
Where's the green arrow? Where? So it's this way anyway.
I'll be happy if we find our way back
I'm saving my short torch while I'm doing this.
and then
In fact,
we know that we can find our way back. We went right to the bottom of there. So yeah, we're exploring the World War II tunnels. Just hope the camera quality is good enough. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
This is absolutely mental.
It's crazy, isn't it?
The feeling's like so overwhelming and everything.
see, it's like the
What
pressure's
was
on
that?
top of you, isn't it?
Oh.
It's such a dark atmosphere.
There you go. You could get lost in it and never be found
I'd
again.
love to do a ghost hunt down here.
Well, it's not you two, I'm the one. I've got my own drinks here.
I've got a drink on me, don't worry. Straight down.
Are you sure?
I'm sure
No, it's down there because there's the chair.
Oh, pretty sure it's this way.
No, it's this way.
Oh, hook on.
Mate, don't start.
It's this way. Look, there's the chair.
What chair?
That chair.
I didn't see no chair coming in.
You seen that coming in, didn't you, Ash?
I did see that chair, yeah.
You did?
We
Yeah.
did, yeah.
Right.
Oh, mate, seriously.
Stop
Yeah, I
being
remember
soft.
walking over this. Oh mate, you've got me drinking and scared here. No, it's not even
Ash
funny.
poos himself.
What would you do if you
There's
got
the
stuck
scooter
in?
wheel.
Yeah.
That's how easy it is.
No, you just remember things from off the corners and stuff. Well, easy. Stop now.
Are you both recording still?
Yeah? Look, do
Let's
you
see
think
the
someone's
torch.
torch ran
Yeah,
out?
but
I'll tell you in a minute. This way, green arrow. Oh no.
this way is a green arrow as well.
No.
We did not come this way.
No, come on, I know where it is. Come on.
You know where it is? You've just been leading us all the way up here.
Yeah, because you said come down here.
You've lost your orientation. You don't even know where we are. You really don't. I'm not bothered, mate. I'll just put fire brigade. As I say, we're in the tunnels next to Aldi. I'm not sure we're there down underground.
Mate, I'm sure when I said it was straight on, it was.
It wasn't.
Yeah, but you keep walking that many places, you're going to lose where you are. That's what I'm saying.
No, because we go to...
You're going to find the entrance. There's only one entrance, Reese.
We'll go to where that torch was on the floor, and then we'll go right, rather than coming down here.
Looks like we're just actually going to die on the ground, people.
Dun, dun, dun.
It really does.
Which way are you talking about turning?
We
That
came
way.
from that way.
This way?
Yeah.
Are you fucking sure?
No, it's not, because we came from here.
There it is.
Here it's here, you nuggets.
There it is.
It's here. This is the ramp back up.
Let's have a look. Yeah, there's the shoe.
Fucking Ash,
it's
look at my ass.
Woo!
Right, we're safe.
Right.
Right, that's it guys. This time it was quite a short one. It was the first time down there. It's a bit overwhelming. Don't want to get too into it and like get lost or anything. So I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and you'll see more exploring videos coming soon.